Alright, I'm going to do a visual cue. I'm going to move my cursor right now. Alright, here we go. Make sure I get the coughs out of me this time. There we go. Alright. Hello, and welcome back to these Hypermedia Director tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to schedule content, as well as quick publish the changes we made to a project to our player. So say you have an advertiser that wants to play their video full screen on a schedule. This can be easily done in Hypermedia Director. So for this example, we're going to right click, create a new schedule. We can name it whatever we'd like. So I'm going to just leave it as new. So now we have this new.ics file. So I'm going to drag it up into our layers panel. As you can see, this is it right here, and it's transparent because we don't have anything in it currently. I'm going to right click and full screen it. And now once we full screened it, we're going to double click inside the new.ics. Now you see this calendar appears. Let's say Evian wanted to have their roller skating babies commercial play full screen at certain periods of the day. So we're going to take this roller skating babies.wmv and we're going to drag it to our starting date, which is November the 6th. That's actually today. And say they wanted this to happen at the top of the hour every hour and play for 5 minutes. So what I'm doing is I'm setting the starting date and the starting time to be 7 in the morning. And then I'm going to have it run for 5 minutes, so have it until 7:05. 0 doesn't appear. That's just a little quirk. And now I'm going to click the repeat button. And I'm going to select the pattern button. The pattern button allows you to set the pattern that the video or media will repeat for. So I want this to repeat every hour. You can set it to be forever until a certain date. So say they've only paid until the end of the month. Or you can have an end after a certain amount of times. If they only paid for it to appear 10 times. For this example, we're just going to set it to forever. These advanced parameters also allow you to get more granular with the controls. You'll see more of these appear as you select greater lengths of time. So if you select every year, it'll show particular months that it plays for, etc. But we're just going to set it for every hour. Once you're done, you click the OK button, click the Apply button, and now you see our control clock up here actually shows that it's 3:04, which is within the parameters of the schedule that we created for this video. So it's actually playing, and now you see the control clock actually move to 3:05, which is when it ends. So that's why you see the video disappearing. So to show you how this works, I've set it for 3:59 now, and once I move this control clock up, it sets it to 3 o'clock. Now it's playing this video full screen, and after 5 minutes, it goes back to the normal project. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now to quick publish this, you see this quick publish button appear. What the quick publish button does is it pushes the content to the last player that it was pushed to. So I'm going to quick publish this. Now since I pushed this to a player, if you saw the last video, I pushed it to a player that wasn't connected, you see this error message appear. But you should see the progress bar fill up, and you should see a done button with a green check mark, and that means that your changes have been applied. So that's how you schedule content and quick publish within Hypermedia Director. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys later.